Imagine living under 8 different names, changing your appearance, speaking multiple languages, traveling across the Europe without leaving a trace. And then one day you're found dead. And despite the biggest investigation in the Norway's history, nobody can tell the police who you really were. This is the mystery of the Isdal woman. On 29th of November 1970, a father and his 2 daughters were hiking in a remote valley near Bergen, Norway. The area was known as Isdalen. Sometimes people call it that valley because of its dangerous terrain and history of accidents. While walking through the valley, they made a disturbing discovery: a badly burned body. Police were immediately called. At first glance, it appeared to be a suicide, but investigators quickly noticed several details that didn't make sense. The woman had suffered severe burns. Nearby were personal items, including bottles and burnt clothing. However, something was strange. All identifying labels had been carefully removed from her belongings. Her clothing carried no names, no tags, no clues. It was almost as if someone wanted to erase her identity completely. Then, the investigation took an even stranger turn. A few days later, police discovered 2 suitcases at a railway station in Bergen. The suitcase belonged to a dead woman. Inside, they found several wigs, different pairs of glasses, maps, foreign currencies, and notebooks filled with mysterious codes. And most importantly, investigators discovered evidences linking the woman to multiple false identities. She has traveled across Europe using different names, different passports, different backgrounds. Nobody knew which identity, if any, was real. As investigators retracted her movements, witnesses reported unusual behaviors. The woman often changed hotels. She frequently used aliases. She sometimes requested rooms with a view of nearby military installations. Witnesses described her as elegant, intelligent, secretive. Some reported her speaking several languages. Others noticed that she appeared to be carefully avoiding their attention. The more police learned, the less they understood. Who was she really, and why was she hiding her identity? One theory quickly gained popularity. Many believed the Isdal woman was a spy. During the Cold War, Europe was filled with intelligence operations. Norway was strategically important because of its proximity to the Soviet Union. The coded notes, multiple identities, frequent travels, and interest in military locations all seem to support this theory. However, no government has ever officially claimed she worked for an intelligence agency, and no evidences has definitively proven she was a spy. For decades, the mystery remained unsolved. The modern forensic technology reopened the case. Investigators examined her teeth, conducted isotope analysis, and attempted DNA testing. The study suggested she may have spent part of her childhood in Central Europe. But even with the modern science, her true identity could not be confirmed. More than 50 years later, the Isdal woman remained officially unidentified. The Isdal woman left behind trails of clues, fake names, coded messages, disguises, and unanswered questions. Yet, despite decades of investigations, nobody exactly knows who exactly she was. Was she a spy, a criminal, a woman trying to escape her past, or someone whose secret was so important that it followed her to the grave? Whatever the truth may be, the mystery of the Isdal woman remains one of the most intriguing unsolved cases in modern history. And somewhere behind those 8 identities, there may be still a real name waiting to be discovered.